We have catfish, cocoyam powder for thickener, ngolo, water snail, habanero pepper, and uziza seed blended together, palm oil, the onion for the soup, prawn, water, crayfish, periwinkle and shrimps, crab and the prawns, well cleaned and ready to cook. Now our fisherman soup is ready. You can see how delicious and rich it looks. This soup is originated from the riverine area in Nigeria. It is basically known as a local dish. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.